Hi folks, Jim Craig here with Planet of Mystery, and I'm going to do something I haven't done before and might not do again. I'm going to do an unboxing video. I saw a review of this particular item on the Astrobiscuit YouTube channel, and if you're not following him, I would definitely recommend it. He's a smart guy and really quite funny. I enjoy watching his stuff. But last year he did a video on the best telescope you could get for under 100 pounds. And he might have included this year, but it went up to just over that, at least over in the UK. This one was a little bit less expensive here in the United States. So in this box, assuming I can get it open, there is supposed to be a telescope. Yep, there's got a 45-degree right-angle finder. Comes with two eyepieces. I know that they're supposed to be a 10 millimeter, actually I think a 25, and well, let's take a look. I've never done an unboxing video before, so this is very new to me. I already like this. Okay, this is a 25 millimeter Kellner. Kellner eyepieces aren't bad. I prefer Flosses. But I've got a box full of eyepieces, so that's not going to be an issue. And it looks like a 10 millimeter Kellner. So what telescope does this go with? It goes with, well, let's see what we've got in here. Okay, this is packaging material. Now I know I haven't done about unboxing, so I can't get anything out of the box. Okay. This is an iOptron 80 millimeter refractor. It is an inexpensive refractor, so it's just a little over $100 US. I was able to get it through some points that I had. Oh, I like the fact that it's got a spot here for a finder. I didn't see if it had a finder with it. If not, I'm sure I've got one. I like it's got a good lens cap. The optics in this are nice and clean. Let's see, check the focuser. Focuser's fairly smooth. But he got some nice wide-angle pictures. I just wanted a small refractor with a wider angle than I get with my I've got Celestron scope, I've got some Meade scopes. I wanted something that had a shorter focal length. One of those is f5 or f10. One of those I think is like f9.3 or something like that. And I wanted something, this is an f5, so it's going to give me a wider field of view. So there it is. And I hope before too long that I can show some images that I have taken with this. So until next time, this is Jim Craig with Planet of Mystery. And we'll see how this thing works for me. I'm really looking forward to taking it out.